Hey everyone, this is Goose at Peachy Support. I'm here to share Topstep's new platform that they've recently released to the public called Topstep X. I want to go over some of the key features and help anyone who's considering Topstep, is new to prop firms, or is just interested in their platform. So this is just an overview of the platform to help you see what they have to offer before you decide making a purchase. It is a web-based platform, which is really nice because you do not have to download anything. Once you buy the evaluation, all you have to do is log in and everything is set to go. Okay, let's take a look at the overall layout of Topstep X. As you can see straight away, the charts are integrated with TradingView. The really cool thing is that you do not have to pay the subscription fee to get the real-time data. With that said, I think there might be some limitation with TradingView as a whole. I think you only get access to the charts and not any other features, so that's something to be aware of. When you're searching symbols, you can go up here for the charts, and you do have to select the slash in front to view any symbols. But for the most part, for what I've noticed, is that it looks like they're all continuous contracts, kind of like Thinkorswim, where it just automatically does that for you. Now, when you're executing a trade, you can go to the depth of market over here on this chart and select the drop-down menu, and you'll notice that these contracts already have the month that are being currently traded. And if you want to select it as a watch list or whatever, all you have to do is select favorite and it'll bring it up, so if you need to quickly navigate through it. Okay, let's quickly take a look at adding more charts. So all you have to do is hover over this empty box here, and once you select it, it'll give you some options of how the layouts of different charts can be. So you can just go click in any of these that you'd like, and if you're interested in linking charts together with the depth of market, for example, all you have to do is hover down below this section right here, and once you click it, you'll see that this link color isn't selected to anything. So just hover over to the settings, click it. Well, in this scenario, we'll just go with blue, and you can see that now I'm linked together with this. Now, you can have both of these charts or however many charts all linked together. So for right now, I have them unlinked in case you want to go ahead and search a different symbol. You can do that, and same thing if you want to link it to a different chart, you could just go do the same thing and select the color. For some reason, I think this is just glitched, but these are different colors. Now let's look at rearranging the layout. All you have to do is select the top of these charts and hold it down until you start to hover over these navigations. And once you release it, it'll drop it down. If you need to add another component or whatever, all you have to do is add these plus signs on these charts, and then you can see all the components that you can pull up and stuff. So another thing that I noticed is that their trade copier, if you go to the left and under settings, it's under this tab, is already integrated. You don't have to worry about setting it up. All you have to do is really link it. So I did notice that if you buy two separate size accounts, you have to pick the lowest size account as the lead. So I'll show you, I have this 50K account and I have to link it to the 150K. So once you link those accounts together as a trade copier, you could go ahead and go to the lead account, because if you go to the follow account, you're not going to be allowed to place trades. I don't know why this is a thing right now. I saw a request for more flexibility about the trade copier, because I noticed that you're not allowed to put the amount of contracts per account like in Tradevate. So hopefully that's something that they release soon and give members the access to have that flexibility. Let's create a bracket order, and we'll have to go to the left under settings, and it'll be under the risk settings tab. So we'll just go ahead and set a 100 risk, 300 profit, just to have a 3-to-1. And that'll be our risk to reward ratio. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to the practice account so you guys can see. Just going to go ahead and do a market sell, and my 3-to-1 risk ratio would show up. Here's my stop loss. Here's my take profit. You could go ahead and drag these around if you need to, however you want. Same thing on the screen, actually. On the chart, you can go ahead and, whoops, wrong one. You could go ahead and just drag this too as well. Another way to add a position, or say you accidentally closed out your stop loss or your take profit, you just have to go right click at the chart and go to stop, whatever contracts you have, your limit sell for your take profit, or if you just want to place an order here, you just go here. And that's another way of doing it. So another cool feature I noticed about Topstep X is if you switch over to an XFA or eval account, there's this button that comes up. And essentially what that does is it's going to lock you out. It's a cool feature if you hit your daily goal and you want to just call it a day, make sure you don't give any profits, or you're already having a bad day and you don't want to add to it, and just hit this button and it'll do it per account. So you have to make sure that if you have them unlinked or linked or whatever, it's still going to be per account. So this little warning message will pop up and just hit yes, lock me out. And then this will confirm, okay, you're locked out for the day, and you can go ahead and dismiss it, and you won't be able to place any trades. So I've already done it for the other account, and same thing. So there's another method you can lock yourself out instead of just hitting the manual button. Say you just want to set a price, you go over here to the left under settings, and if you go from a practice account, this kind of goes away. So you have to make sure you're in an eval or funded account, and you can set your daily loss limit, dollar amount. If you want to set a daily goal for profit, whatever it is, you just go ahead and save it, and once you hit that daily loss limit or the profit target, it'll close you out. Just make sure you hit this down menu here and hit liquidate and block or whatever. I haven't used it just yet, but I think that's a really cool feature that is provided by Topstep X. I want to go over another feature that they have here in Topstep X. They have this thing called the tilt, which basically is kind of like a market sentiment of each symbol that's being traded, how many people are long, short, what's their position, positive, negative. I haven't used it a ton yet, so it might come in handy once you want to get like an overall sense of how people are feeling for the day. Overall, Topstep X has provided some really cool features for their platform. It's not perfect, as you can see, there's some limitations and some features that are missing, but they do have this feature over here on the left side under support that if you go under the live chat, you could go ahead and submit some features that you'd like to see in the future. You could also search if someone's already asked for it. So if you can find the same post, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up and it'll push it forward so they can see it. And if enough people request it, then they'll go ahead and implement it into the platform. And that's a wrap. So I hope this was super helpful for you guys. Let me know if you guys end up trying it, and let me know what you guys think.